Spark plug check.
Hello, today I show you how to make a check spark plugs with multimeter. So it's a cheap multimeter. You can put in 200k. And on the way, if you want to put this one or this side inside. So over 5 is bad spark plugs. Under 5 is good. This one is good. It's not a bad. This one is good. Not too bad. Not really bad. This one is good. That's really bad. It's not working. Really bad. That's same. Only this one is good. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.